Hey guys, it's George from Gaggia UK. Now in today's video, we're going to show you how to set up your Accademia coffee machine. But before we get into the setup, let's take a quick look around the machine. Now the first thing worth mentioning is that this machine comes in two colours. You have the glass black finish, which is this one in front of me here, or you have the inox finish. On the front of the coffee machine, on one side you have the professional barista steam wand, and on the other side you have the milk carafe. You have the adjustable brew head, which can be adjusted up and down, back and forth, or it can even be taken off. Right in the center, you have the adjustable flow control dial. At the bottom of the machine, you have the removable drip tray. So the service door on this machine is actually at the front of the machine, and when you open it up, you can get to the removable brew group and the internal drip tray. On the front of the machine, at the top, you have the touch screen display, and right at the top of the machine, you have the active cup warmer, and on one side you have the water tank, and on the opposite side you have the bean hopper. Now that we've taken a look around the machine, let's get into the setup. So the first thing you want to do is peel off the sticker on the front of the coffee machine. Next, you'll need to connect your coffee machine to power, which you can do so by plugging it in at the back and switching it on with the on-off switch. Then to switch on your machine, you need to press the on-off button in the top corner of the touchscreen display. Then to set up your Accademia coffee machine, you'll need to follow all of the instructions that appear on the touchscreen display. Once you've navigated through all of these, the machine will do its final rinse, and after that, it's set up and ready to use. If you'd like to find out more information about your Accademia coffee machine, or if you'd like to chat to one of our team members via Zoom, you can do so by heading to our website, gaggiadirect.com.